Well, this is my first attempt at a vlog. Mostly it's due to my respect and admiration for people like Michael Aranda, Hank Green, all these other local Missoula people who are content producers on YouTube. So while this absolutely terrifies me, I figured maybe I'll give it a shot. Fairly nice day out. Well, so the plan is that I'm going to go probably to an area by Blue Mountain. It's a nice road there to take a drive. Probably get out and walk down by the river, get some fresh air, enjoy some of the sunshine, and get a nice drive in. I'm getting distracted. I just saw that there's rugby and hurling going on down here by the hospital in Fort Missoula, so I'm going to check that out. Hurling over there. We've got base softball over here, and over here we've got rugby going on.
Get back. Nice job, baby. Where you sit? It's yours, Ethan. It's yours. No pressure, no pressure. Go. Play ball, play ball.
Okay, well that's enough sport for the day. Came down, everyone's having a good time down here. I'm not much into sports. I like watching the rugby. My buddy Martin, shout out to him, congratulations. He's on the USA Rugby team now, so good luck in Glasgow coming up here. You've done a great job so far, so I'll put a link in the video description. You can check out the USA Rugby page there. But now I'm going to be off and head up towards Blue Mountain. Just went over the only one-lane bridge I know of in Missoula, or pretty much anywhere anymore. Alright, I'm at McKay Flat now. I'm just going to take a walk down by the river. I'm kind of out of energy. I didn't realize how weak I was after being sick this week, but oh well, it's still nice to get the fresh air. Well, I guess I got the awkward people looking at me strangely as I'm walking by myself talking to my phone, but I suppose that's the nature of vlogging. So, anyway, the sign back there said, enjoy nature, enjoy the nature around you. Well, I think I found my first vlog title. One of the great things about Missoula is that all this sort of stuff is just a few minutes away. This is probably 15 minutes away from the heart of downtown. Well, done with that walk. Now I'm off to probably the downtown area. I'm going to see if there's some river surfing and probably get a coffee at my favorite coffee shop downtown. Alrighty, let's go. Well, here I am in downtown Missoula, Montana, just catching the river surfing at Caris Park. Definitely something you want to come out and check out.
What are the cans? $2.
I'll bet you know that. That's a problem.
So, down here, gonna hang out a little bit more at Caris Park, watch the people, see what's going on. Looks like there's some fly fishing events and things, music, so sounds like a good time. I've got my vanilla lavender mate. I have no clue what it is. It's a special. Okay, well, that's the end of my park adventure. I think I'm gonna get some groceries and go home and relax a bit more. So here we go on that now. Well, I'm back home. I'm just going to get everything edited up here and posted for my first vlog here. For those of you who are curious, I'm not going to be using anything but what's on my iPhone, so that's iMovie. Everything in this was done with the iPhone, so I'm certainly not a person who has a bunch of different softwares or any skill at all with video. I'm a still photo kind of person. I do Photoshop. I don't even know how to get into the other editing for video programs, so I guess I'll maybe learn at some point, but luckily the iPhone makes video easy, so I'm going to stick with that for now. Anyway, so thank you for watching this video. It means a lot. Like I said before, I'm definitely not a video person. This is kind of nerve-wracking. I don't particularly like my face on the video. That's always why I've been the person taking pictures. I prefer to be in the background, and away from the lens, but hey, I guess we all have to get out of our comfort zone sometime, so that's what I'm doing. Anyway, have a great day.